Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to video call on WhatsApp. So the very first thing to do is to make sure that you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Open your WhatsApp and locate your chat box. Now here, if you wanted to video call a friend or a stranger or someone on your friends list, all you have to do is to look for the person name here on the chat box. Let's just say I'm going to call my friend C. So as you can see, there is a camera icon here. All you have to do is to tap that one. You have two options here to call, allow WhatsApp access to your microphone. Click continue. Okay, so that you can hear each other. That's pretty obvious. Now, after that, you have to click allow, and then yes, here it is. Now you can start your video call with your friend on WhatsApp, and always make sure that your microphone should be turned on, even your camera should be turned on so that you can see each other. And also make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or your internet connection is strong to avoid any disruptions or disconnections. So that's it. That's how easy it is to video call using your WhatsApp application. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.